Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Solution, and today I'll be creating my fourth pattern printing program. And what is today we will be going to print. In our last program what we did is we printed the whole pyramid using the star. Now today what we will be doing is we will be printing the pattern with our digits. Okay, as mentioned here, as you can see the image here, in that image we can print the pattern. So to start off, just add a new MP file to this project. Yes, has to be saved first. Program 4 dot c empty file. I guess that is renamed as program 4 dot c. So this has to be moved and close this file. Okay, just control S, just C program to print the pattern, and this is 0 4 pattern. Author is hash include integer main, just like the similar way, int I comma space comma rows variable, and then a counter as 0. Now actually we need to print the numbers, then we need to take the counter, 3 counters, counter equal to 0 and count 1 equals to 0. Now why we are doing this, let me tell you. Enter the number of rows. Okay, scanf it's just the space less than or equal to rows minus I, and that is plus plus space. Okay, the same logic we used for the last program while printing it with. Now I need to print these spaces. Okay, and plus plus count. The count value is incremented, how many spaces we have print. In the next, again the while the counter k is not equal to 2 into I minus 1. What we need to do is, if count is less than or equal to rows minus 1, printf %d comma I plus k. Okay, so now what we are doing is we are taking the value of I, and then we are taking or printing the value of k. Okay, based on our counter. What is the value of count? Okay, if count is less than rows minus 1, if the value of counter or the space is less than the value of row minus 1, then we need to print this logic and just enter a semicolon here, else plus plus count 1, 2 counters and printf the function as %d comma I plus k minus 2 into now at the end of the program. What we are doing is, you see, again we are initializing every counter equals to 0 to start off from second row. This printf function will be taking us to the second row, and then place a return or the terminating statement from here, control S. So this was the logic basically. That is the reason why I have taken the two counters, because since we need to print the values, and then in that case we need to take the two counters. For example, if the count is less than rows minus 1, then you need to print the value of I plus k, or else just pre-increment the value of count and print it as I plus k minus 2 into count 1, and then again plus plus k. The k is incremented and again this part is executed. And finally, while coming out of while, we are initializing every counter as 0 and then again starting off from the second line. So this was the logic. Let me try to run this again for you all. And undeclared int spaces, sorry, it should be comma. Okay, it should be comma. Enter the number of rows, 5. You see, again this is going wrong. Let me try to again find it out where it is going wrong. I have taken the value from this and I have run this program till the number of rows less than 1, for space equal to 1, space less than or equal to rows minus I, and then this is plus plus space, and then printf plus plus count, and then yk. This is also very correct. If count is less than or equal to rows minus 1, then what we need to do is print f %d I plus k. It is also correct. I guess here you see we haven't incremented any counter. That's why the right hand side of this pyramid was not, this right hand side of that pyramid was not printing. And then just give a pre-check again. In the second part, what we will be doing is we will be first checking or incrementing the count 1 and then printing the other variable, okay, and then plus plus k, and finally we are initializing all the counters to 0 and then printf \n return 0 statement, control S. Now let me try to again run this program for you all. I need to come out of it. I came out, and then run it. Enter the number of rows. The number of rows, 5. Oh, sorry, again it is not printing the in the correct format. I guess what it is doing, my program is not going in a very good way. The indenting of the program is not good. So let me try to throw this as a challenge for you all. Tell me that where I'm doing wrong, and in case you are able to find out the solution, and I'll be able to reply you for that. I plus k, this is wrong, control Z. This is I plus k minus 2 into count 1. This is correct. And then printf \n. For the new line, it is going for the new line. I think it is not doing a good indent. The indenting of the program is not going good. Percentile D. Let me try to give a space for you all, because it's not giving any space. The logic is getting correct, but the output is not coming in a very good manner. Okay. You see, where was the error? Actually, what it's doing is, the values earlier, the values were getting like sticky to each other. The 2 is getting sticked to 3 and so on. But since if we give a particular space after the percentile D, then it will be printing this value and then giving a space, and then again printing this value and then again giving a space. So that was the logic. Okay, so again let me try to run this for 10 rows. You see, almost it is going in a good manner, but you see the indenting also, it is not coming on a very good note. So that was all for this program, and I hope that the program is much more clear for you all. In case you find any trouble, kindly post it in the comment section, and if this video helps it, please give a like to it. That would be really appreciable for you all. And thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Yeah.